wasn't recording my face in that last one. Fucked me up, dude. Alright, I hope I was recording it good. I know Sawa recorded it. Ah! Oh, this little fucking thing. I'm just kind of tired of it already. I was having fun, but not even. Whoa! Just look at each other. It's just like, huh? 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 My knee's fucking hurting, dude. I'm a guessing they went this way. Yep. Holy crap. Good job, Sawa. Looks like they went this way. I'm just following the tracks. Oh, big ass stick just hit me right in the leg. God damn, I'm so glad I have boots. Yo, I will never do this without boots again. Never ever, bro. Before it was like, yo, I used to come back here with just high top Vans, and that was good enough. But I learned by riding hard. I wasn't riding that hard back then. Not that I'm riding hard now, but you know, it's different, dude. It's different. Crap is flooded today, dude. There's mud in here for sure, 100%. Not this part. Like, I mean, like this ain't nothing. This is like the beginning of it. The deep mud section that's over there, that's for sure 100% flooded. Bad. Oh no, there they are. Man, they're having a good time. Oh, 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 oh. Oh yeah, she got stuck. I gotta go back. What do you think? You wanna go in or no? No, I'm pretty sure they went that way. Because of the tracks. Jankenpo? Paper, rock, scissors? 2. Jankenpo. You say it. No, again. I win, let's go. Be careful now. We made a big deal about it for no reason. It's okay! See why he's not happy. Too much water? You went down? Yo! What the hell? Don't do it! I'm warming up now. I'm warming up now. Oh God, I'm not warming up now. My feet are completely soaked already. Go, 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 don't stop. There we go. Oh, God damn, bro. Keep going, keep going. I don't care about the bike. I want her to be okay. Fight! Keep going! This way, this way! can't see the floor, dude. There's like big random ass holes just show up out of nowhere. Alright, she's good. They're behind us. Oh, that was bad, yeah. It was tough for this little bike, bro. That shit was underwater. Holy crap. This thing is deep, bro. The bike is trying to stop. I know this section's gonna be mad flooded. This section's always super flooded. Yeah, that's a no-go for me. I was gonna say GoPro, but it's not a GoPro. Action cameras make this look like it's nothing, but it's actually it's pretty it's rocky. For this little ass bike, the ground clearance on this is like 6 inches, bro. It's bad. What are you asking yourself? What are you doing on this little clown bike, bro? It's all I can afford right now. I bought this for her to learn. She outgrew it way quicker than I expected. Now I'm trying to sell it, so that'll answer your question, though. You're gonna be like, why are you even out there with that? You know, because, well, one, it's still kind of fun, and two, totally breaking it. I don't know what I'm talking about, dude. There you go. Yep. But you have to have the bike off or neutral to do it. Oh, sticks. Whoa! Okay, let's try to go a little fast. This is a freaking mess.